In this tutorial, let me show you how I made this beautiful text effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Delete this. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and write here United. Select the text, change the font to Arial black and increase the font size and make it more bigger. Now select the text box, go to shape format, go to align center and align middle and place it like this. Now let me zoom out, go to insert, go to shape. I have to insert a freeform shape. Click on this and drag it like this. Now go to shape fill, select a fill color, go to shape outline, make it no outline and click on right button, go to edit points. You may adjust the shape like this. Click on edit points, click on the black point and adjust it like this. Now let me place it over here and this is okay for me. Now click on right button, make a duplicate slide, select this shape and the text box, go to shape format, go to mask shape, click on intersect. Now go this slide, select the text box and this shape, go to shape format, mask shape and click on subtract. Now go this slide, Ctrl C to copy and paste it over here like this. Now select the upper shape, go to shape format, go to shape fill, select this fill color and select this area, go to shape fill and select this fill color. Now again go to shape fill, go to gradient fill and select the gradient effect like this and select this color, go to shape effect, go to gradient and select a gradient effect like this. Now let me select these two, go to shape format, go to shape effect, go to bevel and click on hard edge. Now go to shape effect, go to reflection and click on tight reflection touching. Now go to design, go to format background, go to gradient fill and select a gradient color from here like this. Now let me select these two, press Ctrl G to group them together, shape format, shape effect. If you want, you may change the bevel, you may add reblet and this one will be more perfect. So let me watch the slideshow and here you will find this is beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.